Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm going to be trying to solve original 3x3 Rubik's Cube as quickly as possible, so let's do this. Okay, so this is mixed up pretty well, I think. No setups, no special things, just regular mixed, so let's solve this. And go. Okay, by the way, I'm doing beginner's method, so I'm probably not going to be super fast. I wanted to see how fast I could do it, though. Okay, let's... Okay, I almost got the first layer finished. Okay, yes, I was cutting, but it was just because there was a lot of noise. So, just gonna keep solving. Okay, let's clean it for the first layer, and we got the first layer. Okay, now let's do the second. Dang, no side solved, plus one's messed up. Okay, fix the messed up one. Okay, now it's in place. Okay. Oops. Darn. I messed it up. Wait, no I didn't. Perfect. Almost done. Okay, we got the yellow cross. We got all the sides. We're done. Alright, that was 1 minute, 47 seconds. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.